G'day friends, have you ever watched a Hollywood movie and thought, how do they get those jaw-dropping, amazing, cool drone shots? Well, today I'm going to let you in on 6 powerful tricks that will instantly transform your drone footage, making it more dynamic, more cinematic, and just downright amazing. These are the same techniques used in films, travel vlogs, and even high-end commercials, and if you're not using them, you're missing out on some serious filmmaking magic, so let's go. So let's kick things off with the reveal shot. This is all about suspense and discovery. Imagine you're watching a movie and the camera starts behind a wall or a rock and then suddenly, boom, it unveils this stunning landscape. That's the power of a great reveal. Here I use trees in the foreground, but you can use anything, a building, a mountain, or even a person. All you have to do is start with a close or obstructed view, then smoothly rise up or move sideways to unveil the full scene. This shot always draws your audience in, making them feel more like they're part of the journey. I use it all the time, especially before cutting to a wide shot for that extra impact. Alright, next up, the tracking shot. Picture this, you're watching an action movie and the camera follows the hero sprinting through a crowded street, the world rushing past them. That's the kind of energy that this shot brings. It's a very simple shot, but it's very powerful, so just keep your subject in frame while smoothly following their movements. A person walking, a car cruising down a winding road, or even a dog running through a field looks amazing with this technique. And if your drone has active track, it can do all the work for you, but if not, manual controls will work as well. Just keep it as steady as you can. Now let's talk about the orbit shot. This is awesome for adding cinematic motion. You simply rotate around your subject while keeping them centered, like I've done here on this shot. My son and I were recently filming another video on this sand dune, and the dance I'm doing is the same dance that Bruce Willis does at the end of The Last Boy Scout. Comment below if you know what the hell I'm talking about. To get this shot, you can use your drone's intelligent flight modes like quick shots, or you can go full manual for precision control. It's perfect for filming landmarks or vehicles, or even yourself in epic surroundings. Now I have some exciting news for you. In the coming weeks I'll be reviewing your photos on my channel. Whether it's an epic drone shot or a quick snap from your phone, send me your best shot and I'll break it down with tips and insights. And hopefully it'll help you level up your photography skills. And if you want to be featured, it's super easy. Just join my email list, send in your photo, and don't forget to include your channel name for the shout out. The link's in the description, and I can't wait to see what amazing shots you bring. Next up is the top-down shot, also known as the bird's eye view. And there's something about this perspective that just hits different. Maybe it's because we don't normally see the world like this. I personally love using it to capture symmetry, like roads cutting through forests or waves crashing on a beach. It turns everyday scenes into beautiful patterns. And this type of shot always impresses and gives your footage that extra artistic edge. And if you're just starting out in your drone journey, I do have a free ebook which gives you heaps of tips and tricks and things you should know before you purchase a drone or fly a drone. I'll leave a link in the description for you there as well. Now this next shot is pure cinema. It's called the pull away shot. So picture a movie ending, the main character standing on a cliff looking out as the camera slowly pulls back, revealing the vast landscape around them. That's the power of this shot. So start close to your subject, whether it's a person, a cabin or a car, then smoothly pull back to show the full scene. It's a really good way to transition between shots, add drama or end a video on a high note. If you want an unforgettable ending shot to your film, this is the shot you should use. This one is one of my personal favorites. It's called the lowdown shot. Just because your drone can fly high doesn't mean it always has to. Flying close to the ground or while you're tracking a subject makes everything feel faster, more dynamic and more immersive. It's perfect for action shots as well, whether you're following a skateboarder, a cyclist or even a running dog. Try it and I guarantee you'll start using it all the time. Now here's where things get fun. You don't have to use these shots on their own. Try mixing them up, like this one where I start with a top-down shot, then pull back to reveal the full scene. Once you get comfortable with these, your creativity will go through the roof. I use these techniques all the time, even for things like real estate videos. They're simple but make a massive difference in the quality of your footage. And if you don't have a drone yet and you're thinking about getting one, I've done a video on an amazing little drone that has a lot of features I mentioned here. Check it out and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.